Hey, let's discover together the best tips to study for your CDMP exam. Now, the first thing that you would want to do is to review your learning materials such as your tutorials, articles, and websites. And then you would like to review the slides, your study notes, and give yourself some time for any topics that you find complex or difficult. Then, you would like to make sure that you have your own study notes that you can get back to them whenever you feel like you have to. And also be social, interact with your classmates, and share your insights and questions together. Use and frequently retake the online interactive quizzes and the practical exercises and check your progress. And this way, you can always revise your knowledge and practice what you have learned. Now, it's also good to complete the practical exercises and check the ability to apply your learning to the real-world digital marketing. Visit the Digital Marketing Institute membership library and access a wider range of additional materials that are related to the modules that are covered in this program.